So my parents just built this deck and this had this patio done on the backside of their house. And my mom absolutely loves plants, but lately she doesn't like the upkeep of them, having to maintenance them, water them, take care of them. So she got this 7 foot artificial banana tree and she was really surprised with how real it looks. She just got it today, literally just took it out of the box, and the leaves and branches were folded up for shipping, but they just like sprouted right out. They're all on sturdy metal wires, so she's able to bend and shape them until it looked full and natural. The leaves are a nice silk material and have that tropical look, which is exactly what she's going for back here on her deck. They even add moss that you can put around the base to make it feel even more realistic if you want, but she's going to put hers in a bigger pot with some rocks. It does come with a planter itself with like concrete inside so it doesn't wobble or tip over, which is great if you're not going to put it in another kind of planter. What she loves most is that it gives that tropical vibe without the stress of watering or worrying about it dying. It looks absolutely beautiful out here, and at 7 feet tall, it definitely makes a statement. She can see it working in so many other spots of her patio. Now she wants to add more of them. I even want to grab one to put by our pool in my backyard. You could also use one in the living room if you have taller ceilings in your house. It's just great anywhere. It just really cozies up the space and gives you that tropical vibe. We love it. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.